Americans are really pushing the boundaries of creativity with AI design tools. Imagine being able to generate stunning visuals or unique designs in just a few clicks. These tools are not just for tech experts, they're accessible to everyone, from seasoned artists to curious beginners. With platforms like Dolly and Midjourney, you can turn your wildest ideas into reality, blending human creativity with machine precision. It's fascinating to see how artists are using AI to enhance their work, experimenting with styles and concepts that were once unimaginable. This fusion of technology and art is reshaping the creative landscape, making it more inclusive and dynamic. So, if you're an artist or designer, dive in and explore these tools. Your next masterpiece could be just a prompt away.